the secret? The glow?
Of course, it's Simply G. Hindi, seryoso. Kasi talagang, of course, aside sa self-care, kailangan talaga na may maintenance tayo palagi, especially sa skin. So, I'm just very happy to be part of Simply G family.
How particular are you when it comes to taking care of your skin?
Ako kasi usually, madalas kasi ako kasi very crucial sa akin kapag lumalabas talaga ako ng bahay. So, lahat ng skincare ko kailangan lagi may SPF. That's why I found the perfect brand for me, which is Simply G. Lahat ng mga products nila ay may kasamang SPF. So, it's one thing na sobrang talaga I really vouch for when it comes to yung mga soap and yung lotion. And of course, I also take care of my hair. Simply G din yung gamit ko. Saka aside from that, sobrang bango talaga niya. And true to its claims talaga na nakaka-soft ng hair, it makes your skin and hair glow and healthy and beautiful.
At ngayon talagang yung itong endorsement mo na ito, nakakatawa kasi kumpleto.
Yes!
Hair and skin.
Oo, I'm so happy kasi bihira kasi yung mga brands na gano'n like sobrang thankful talaga ako sa Simply G kasi kumbaga parang all around na no? Lahat yung kumpleto strikatos na may pang skin, may pang hair. So, yeah, there's soap, there's lotion, there's conditioner. And yeah, just very, very happy. And ako talagang, kasi even before pa, bibili na rin ako ng mga products nila.
Especially now, siyempre summer, di ba? Init-init, parang tamang-tama lang.
Yes, oo. Tsaka, importante na, na talagang pinanialaga natin sa balat natin. Kasi lagi ako exposed sa sun, lagi ako exposed sa heat, sa lights, especially. So, it's really important that, you take care of your skin and your hair. Kasi yun ang number one requirement pagka, di ba? Kapag yan ang puhunan natin. Kaya talaga kailangan inaalaga.
And really, matatapos na, Miss Lee.
Yes! Mabilis po, grabe.
May aabangan pa kaming kagimbal-gimbal na twist. Tapos, sino ba?
Nako, I think napanood ng most of the people who have been watching today, napanood na nila kung ano yung ending sa view. But you have to see the GMA cut. Kasi iba yung edit niya eh. Kaya I'm also happy and excited then for the people to see. Kasi nga, siya eh, kakaibang murder mystery yung ginawa natin. So, ayun, I really had a good time filming the series with Gabby, with Mikey and Isabel. Sobrang talagang galing nila. And aside doon sa fact na magkakaibigan kaming lahat, talagang sobrang nag-enjoy kami habang ginagawa natin yung project.
At sobrang nabuwang sisterhood.
Oo, sobra. Kasi before, alam ko naman na talagang mga busy yung schedules. And we're friends na talaga even before. But, mas naging close talaga kami dahil dito sa project na to. And kahit na off-cam kami or basta nagtatawagan pa rin kami, nagkakumustahan pa rin kami. Ayun. And recently, we also went out with the other cast, with the other members of Slay. Yeah.
Kanino ka mas naging close?
Ha?
Kanino ka mas naging close? Sorry.
Individually sa kanila, kasi si Gabby, siya yung nakakausap ko when it comes to like life, pagdating sa growth, adulting and stuff like that. Si Mikey, naging close ko talaga pagdating sa craft eh. Kasi pag nasa set kami, talagang sobrang grabe yung dedication niya. Even if she would do like, thesis or schoolwork and stuff like that because she's graduating. So talagang todo support na naman kami sa kanya. Si Isabel naman, I work with her all the time because most of the time talaga magkasama kami sa all Sundays. And then we would also go out kasama naman si Miguel tsaka si Ray kasi magkaiba naman yung bonding din namin ni Isabel. So individually talagang naging close talaga kami ng gusto.
Kuya lang.
Marami nang nag-aabang ng the proposal.
Oh! Ay, hindi po ako makakasagot niyan. Dahil hindi po natin natin alam kung kailan. But eventually, kapag dumating naman po yung time na ready na pareho, ready na ako, of course, God's will naman, di ba? So, I mean, you know, everything will fall into place.
Dream wedding?
Dream wedding? Kasi ever since kasi bata ako, gusto ko simbahan. Kasi very traditional din kasi yung pamamaraan ng pamilya ko eh. So I also want to, you know, like, preserve that tradition dun sa family natin. And if ever na magkakaroon ng, you know, like, whatever decision naman, yeah, maybe out of the country, I don't know.
Wow.
Hindi ko talaga masabi, di ba? But, pero simbahan pa din. Hindi pa namin sure, hindi ko pa sure kung ano yun, kung paplanuhan naman yan kapag nasa tamang panahon.
Pero yung proposal, handa ka anytime?
Ha?
Handa ka anytime sa proposal?
Siyempre, hindi ko pa pwedeng sabihin sa inyo kasi... But, of course, ako naman ay, you know, ako ready naman din po ako eh because parang nasa state na rin po kasi ako ng buhay ko na gusto ko naman i-enjoy yan ang buhay. Gusto ko naman, you know, like, mag-focus din sa happiness ko. Kasi for the longest time, yung parang mas focus ako sa career, focus ako sa studies.
Walang labas-labas,
di
ba?
Sa trabaho, di ba? So parang ako naman, you know, I really want to make the most out of it. I want to enjoy life. I want to, you know, I want those goals na matupad din.
Trevor is the one.
Okay.
He's the one.
For me, yes. Oo naman po.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Julian.